Okay, so today we are going to move Ratchet and Clank. This is Clank. I already got a tub ready. I'm not going to net them. I've heard negative things about netting them. So I'm just going to pick him up. I'm going to put him in the little tote here. And Ratchet is hiding. So let's see if we can get Ratchet out. Okay, I got him. As best I can. Oh, he's so slippery. I don't know if I could do this and hold the phone at the same time here. Come on, I gotta move you. I gotta move you. I don't want to upset him too much. It makes me so nervous. My cats are fighting back there. Okay, come on, Ratchet. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna have to put the phone down. So I'm gonna put the phone down. Just for a minute. Okay, there we go. Got him. So we are going to move them to their new forever home. So I want to do this. Man, it's hard doing this holding a phone. Okay, so here we go. So exciting. We are going to put, let's see, we are going to put Ratchet in first. There he goes. Now we are going to put Clank. Come on, Clank. I know. I know. Yay, their new home. So, I will give an update on how they do, but they are now in their forever home. Yay.